Welcome back to our online class. So today in this class we will discuss chapter number 11, that is the elves and the shoemaker. So this is a new chapter, students. So this is a story about a shoemaker and two little elves. So students, once upon a time there was a shoemaker and he used to work very hard and make a pair of shoes. So he was very honest, and one day he found that one evening when he was making his pair of shoes, he found that this is the last piece of leather and he could make only one pair of shoes. So he was not so sad, just he cut out the leather for making shoes next morning and he went to sleep. So students, when the shoemaker woke up in the morning, he found that the shoe is already made ready and kept in his bench. He was so surprised that who made these shoes, because I didn't make these shoes, I went to sleep, but who came and make these shoes? So came to buy the shoes, and the quality of the shoes was very good. So the buyers saw the shoes was very with the good quality. They paid a high price to the shoemaker. So the shoemaker was very happy. He got the higher price as the usual price. So he went to buy the leathers and he brought more leathers to make shoes. Stay also he went, he just cut out the leathers and went to bed early. When he wake up in the morning, he saw that again the two pair of shoes was ready on his bench. Now he was very amazed and surprised that who is making these shoes, because I am not making the shoes by myself, then who is coming to my home and making these shoes? So he was very surprised and amazed. So he told to his wife that the shoes are being made by someone else. So he planned to do something that night. He told his wife that let us be awake tonight and see that who is coming and making the shoes. As they were awake that night, the shoemaker and his wife were watching that who comes to our house to make shoes. So as they were awake, it was already midnight and they saw that the window opens and the two little elves climb up to the room, and they entered inside the room and started walking with the pair of shoes. And the whole night they used to work and make good quality pair of shoes, and again very quietly they used to go through the window. So likewise they were coming every day during night, and they were quietly moving out of the house. So the shoemaker thought that I should give some gifts to these elves. In the next day, the shoemaker told his wife that let us give gifts to the elves. So the shoemaker's wife told that okay, I will make a tiny clothes for them, and the shoemaker also told that I will also make the tiny pair of shoes for the elves. So both the shoemaker and his wife made the gifts, and they just kept the gift that night on the table. So when it was midnight, the elves entered through the window, and when they saw that something is kept for them, they just opened it and they saw, and they was very happy to see the gifts for them, and they just wore the clothes and put on the tiny shoes, and they started dancing at the room. So the elves were very happy and they liked the gift so much. So students, the next what happened? So these little elves again that night they walked and they quietly moved out from the room. So that was the last night the two little elves came, and again the couple did not see the elves coming to their house, but everything was going good. Both the shoemaker and his wife lived very happily. So this is all about, students, this story. We will discuss the exercises of this chapter in our next class.